Palmar aponeurosis. The deep fascia of the palm is thin over the thenar and hypothenar eminences and thick in the central part of the palm, where it forms the palmar aponeurosis. The palmar aponeurosis is a strong, well defined part of the deep fascia of the palm that covers the long flexor tendons and superficial palmar arch. It is the triangular in shape and made up of mainly longitudinal fibers and few transverse fibers intersecting the former. Its apex is directed proximally toward the wrist and its base is directed distally towards the root of the fingers. Next one is features. The palmar aponeurosis presents the following features: apex, base, medial border, lateral border. First one is apex. It is narrow proximal end of the palmar aponeurosis which blends with flexor retinaculum. Its superficial fibers are continuous with tendon palmaris longus. Next one is base. It is the broad distal end of the palmar aponeurosis, just proximal to the heads of the metacarpal. The base divides into four longitudinal slips, one each for medial 4 digits. Each slip further divides into two slips that blend with fibrous flexor sheets of the corresponding digits. The digital nerve and the vessels and the tendons of the lumbrical emerge through the intervals between the four longitudinal slips. Medial border. The medial border edge of the aponeurosis is continuous with deep fascia covering the hypothenar muscles and gives origin to the palmaris brevis. The medial palmar system extends inward from this edge to fifth metacarpal. The intermediate palmar septum extends inward from near this edge obliquely to the third metacarpal. Lateral border. The lateral edge of the aponeurosis is continuous with deep fascia covering the thenar muscles. Lateral palmar septum extends inwards from this edge to first metacarpal. Next one is functions. It helps to improve the grip of the hand, fixing the skin, protects the underlying tendons, nerves, and vessels.